What's up, y'all? Michael with Mad Mice Customs, working on a Ford F150, right? It's, 4.2, 5.4, or the 4.6 engine, all the same. Cylinder one starts here on the front, second, third, fourth. This is not cylinder firing order. This is just the direction of how I removed it. I do know the firing order, but I don't have the schematic on me this very second. And my tablet, who knows where that's at. I wanted to show something. So this is the first spark plug, just to go over it. You can see she was just bent on her way out. Inside of the coil, you can see it's got green corrosion in there and soot and like grime, almost like gel. So you can tell it's had moisture building in there for a while. I don't know, everything looks like it got wet or soaked, like someone poured a bucket of water or someone tried to wash the engine. Well, the water pooled inside here and sat and did what water does to electrical connectors, really. It's like a slushy inside. Yeah, this was the worst one. And this is just on one side. So, let's get our way down here. It's the last one. Still should be copper color. Anyways, you can see the spark plugs pretty much out of there. That's the rearest one. It's the second to the rearest. Let me remind you, this piece is brown, not white. Second to the front. Yeah, everything was on its way out. I got one ignition coil for cylinder one because that was the code that was being thrown. Non-sponsorship video. It's a Master Pro ignition. I got this at O'Reilly's under my commercial wholesale account. Screenshot it if you need it. Moving forward. Here's what it should look like. All dolled up. All nice and crispy. No crud. Real nice arcer inside. I don't want to disassemble it because it's already assembled. But this is going to be for cylinder one as its replacement, which is the one that was throwing the code. Again, all of them need to be changed as far as ignition coils. I recommend that to the customer. For now, I need to get it moving and rolling. This space that I use is not an all-day space. This is just to the end of the day. So let me make a little pile of my garbage. Never litter. Always take care of your environment. Always pick up your oil. Never spill fluids on the floor. I am OSHA trained certified. So disclaimer, anyone that is not, please be careful. Don't just throw your stuff on the floor. All this will be recycled and picked up shortly. You can see the new spark plug. Yeah, huge difference. So now I'm ready to reinstall rear spark plug, second spark plug to the rear, second spark plug from the front, and the last one, which is the front one, with the new ignition coil. So anyone ever tells you they changed their ignition coils, they shouldn't look like this. They should look like this, nice and clean and jelly. Looks all like crispy. Yeah, be aware of that. A lot of people say they change them and they don't, and then that's the type of stuff you find inside that people don't tell you or pay attention to, and they don't care because the part looks fine till you look inside. That's bogus. All right, y'all. Michael Mad Mice Customs. Enjoy that video. Like, subscribe, comment. Please support me. I'm doing this on my own. All right, y'all. It's a Ford F150.